Munawar Khan is a Pakistani politician and legal advocate who had been a member of the Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa from 2008 to May 2018. He is an advocate by profession. He ran for the seat of the National Assembly of Pakistan as an independent candidate from Constituency NA-27. Lakki Marwat in 2008 Pakistani general election but was unsuccessful. He received 100 votes and lost the seat to Humayun Saifullah Khan. In the same election, he was elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Northwest Frontier Province as an independent candidate from Constituency PF-76. Lakki Marwat-III in 2008 Pakistani general election. He received 18,871 votes and defeated a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League N. PML-N. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa as a candidate of Jamiat Ulema-e Islam F. from Constituency PK-76. Lakki Marwat-III in 2013 Pakistani general election. He received 28,961 votes and defeated a candidate of PML-N. He was re-elected to Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa as a candidate of Muttahida Majlis-e-Amal MMA from Constituency PK-91. Lakki Marwat-I in 2018 Pakistani general election. This article about a member of the Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.